Many people, especially young people, share with me that they are feeling a disconnect from religion, that it doesn't speak their language or reflect their internal reality, that organized religion just is not for them. Well, today I'm pleased to share that there's an alternative. Come to my house and you'll experience some disorganized religion. Maybe you've seen similar scenes in your own house. But if COVID has taught us anything, I believe it's the simple fact that our religious identities are not building bound, but they're very much people-centered, and that any space has the potential to be a spiritual space if only we allow it. We have many names for God in our tradition, but one of my very favorite ones is makom, which literally means place. God itself is truly present in all the places we inhabit if only we allow ourselves to recognize the divinity right before us. Today marks the beginning of the new Hebrew month of Elul, which means we're within a month of the high holidays. This year, our community, along with communities across the world, will be doing these high holidays virtually for the first time ever. This means that you have the unique opportunity to transform your home space into a customized prayer space. But how are you going to do it? Well, you're in luck because today, this quick tutorial will guide you through the ins and outs of virtual backdrops as we prepare ourselves for the new Jewish year. In, having a siddur on the shelf behind you. Out, having Mein Kampf on your bookshelf behind you. In, images of Jerusalem. Out, images of your double-headed axe. In, soft ambient lighting. Out, disco ball. In, your family photos. Out, the family held hostage in your basement. In, your family heirlooms. Out, your collection of skulls. In, colorful high holiday themed tapestries. Out, colorful piles of laundry stinking up your couch. So there you have it. Your house might also look like a volcano, but we will not judge you. You do not need to actually use virtual backdrops. What you need is to just prioritize the people in the foreground. And you're our people, and we're so blessed to enter into this new month, anticipating this new year with you. Shabbat shalom.